JCID new arrival RBOX bus analyzer has been released. Match with JC drawing for use. Locate parts of the faulty points of signal quickly. In the package of RBOX, there are a RBOX, a bus adapter board, a USB cable for connecting to computer, and a coaxial line in the lower layer for connecting the point and the bus adapter board. There are also a special sharp dual probe for facilitating the detection and a 1-year JC drawing card. After activating according to the guidance on the back of the card, users can view thousands types of drawing data on it. There are also professionals who update data in real time. Please check the installation guide of JC drawing. Open JCID official website. Find the download interface, find JC drawing, including data, complete version, click download. After downloading, double-click to install the software. Please close the antivirus software before installing. Tick I have read and agree. Click one key install. After installing, click start. After enter the JC drawing, click stop. Select English and click confirm. Click register. Enter the email address or phone number. Click Get CAPTCHA. Enter the verification code that you got. Click Submit. After setting password, click Confirm. Click Month/Year Card Recharge. Users can select to activate by entering the card number and password or by scanning the QR code for payment. First, connect the bus analyzer to the computer with a USB cable. Then open JC drawing. Find the drawing of the motherboard that need to be repaired. Find the phone brand. Find the phone model. Select Motherboard Copper. Double-click to enter the drawing interface. Find Bus in the lower right corner. The device model is displayed in the upper right corner. Click Help to open the operation guide that is given by professionals in text, and then operate according to the guidance. Click Connect. If it can't be connected or used, please install the driver first. Click Driver. Press Enter when it shows. Press Enter. Here we can see this model has 2 buses. Each bus will affect the signal transmission. Before the faulty points are figured out, all the buses need to be checked. Select a bus thread. Click SDA point, SCL point, V1.8/3.3 to jump to the corresponding point directly. Soldering the coaxial line according to the point. Find a ground wire on the motherboard and solder it. This is the effect after flying the 4 wires. After that, buckle the coaxial line on the corresponding port of the bus adapter board. Click Start. The abnormal components will be marked. Click on the abnormal component to jump to its location. Abnormal ones are marked in red, while normal ones are marked in blue. After finding the abnormal components, start working on the maintenance. The bus analyzer is also packaged with a special sharp dual probe, which can replace the coaxial lines of SDA and SCL points for data detection. The red probe corresponds to SDA, and the black probe corresponds to SCL. There is a button on the probe. Press the button to detect directly. The switch at the interface of the probe on the bus adapter board is the one for switching between 2C and RFFE. Toggle down to detect RFFE and toggle up to detect 2C. When detecting RFFE with the probe, the switch should be toggled to the RFFE side.